Maybe. Speedy. He's looking for more. We had a couple of jackrabbits on the hillside. One went running out of sight. One is still there. And up there. And we're at Fluffy's. Just finished her chewable. And cat feeds are going down. There we go. We have a sunny morning with some clouds in the sky. Her water dish was totally empty. Rinsed it out, refilled it, and her dry food dish was not in its normal spot, so I had to go looking for it under a bush. Found the dish and put some dry food in it. Not all of it, just part of it. She ate a few bites. And we went to the ground cover. There we go. Mark says, wait a minute, what about me? Oh, we have Mia here too. Mia. Mia. Mia, come on. Come on, Mia. Come get it. Mia. Come on back. Mia. Come on. Come on, Mia. Hurry up before little lady gets it. Come on. Hurry up. Little lady got it. Come on, throw another one down. Oh, never. Little lady says, yeah, I'll eat them all. Too funny. Come on, Mia. Hurry up. Mia, hurry up. There's still another one. Come on, go get it. Good girl. And you have a red-tailed hawk on the cross of the church next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. We're at the back area of the park. Maybe the female of the pair. Do not see the other. Now we have both red-tailed hawks on the cross of the church next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. The dark morph male is on the bottom cross section of the cross. The female is at the very top. Both of them have their backs to us, but because females are bigger in the raptor families, we know that the larger one of the two is the female. And they're up there. I got it. Hi, little guy. This is a really tiny... We're at the Lutheran Church and Collie's here, and she's ready for breakfast. She is heading over to where she knows Jay's going to put the food down. We hadn't seen her for a few days, which is not unusual. Okie dokies. Good to see you. We'll see you the next time. We had to call Fluffy. I don't know where she's going to come off the fence yet. Fluffy! Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sweetums. Yeah, it's a girl. Here we go. And zoom. Hi. Hi, hi. You want some treats? I'm going to get some treats. Here we go. Treat time. Yeah, treats. I put the rest of her dry food in her dry food dish. Good morning. Something had come and eaten what... I only put a handful of dry food down, and it wasn't her. Her dry food dish was empty, but because I'm holding back most of it, I was able to put more down for her, so she'll have some. And it looks like she's going to finish up her treats. Excellent. I think there's one more by your front paws. There's one more. There you go, you found it.